So I'm going to experiment with changing this face of this window. I'm curious if I can put a picture there. So, oops. So let's go ahead and just click that, edit, and I think I want to select the face. This seems to isolate this little piece. And then I'll click on texture, and I'm thinking that I can upload a picture. But how do I get the picture here? So before I can do that, I need to have the image in Kitely or in the viewer. So I'll browse for that content, and I just went online and found this picture of shoes. So I'm thinking I'd like to make this a shoe store. So there's the image. Let's just upload it and see what happens. Okay, so now let's see if we can change that texture. And if my image is here, it's not there. Yay! Double click it. Shoes on a rack. Let's rename it Shoe Store Window. And click OK. And I see Apply Now is checked, so I'll just click OK. And I can see it kind of there, so that's interesting. Well, it looks like it has this sort of transparent nature to it, so maybe I just click Full Bright. Hey, look at that. Although it looks like it might be upside down. So let's see, just exploring here a little bit. Oh, choose transparency. Leave it like that. Let's see what glow does. Ooh, that's interesting. Okay, I don't want it to glow. And I'll, I wonder why it's upside down. How can I change that? Interesting. Okay, cancel. And hold, please. Okay, so I noticed the idea, or the option here to rotate, and then I click on Object, and I can see down here that it's 90 degrees. So I'm going to just reset that to 0. And hopefully it's just that picture. Nope, it's the whole store. So let's put it back to 90. So I went back to texture because that's really the item that I wanted to change. And I see down here rotation degrees. So since the picture is upside down, I'm going to type in 180 and hope for the best. And look at that. So there we have that. So let's just close this. And oh, my building started to float. Well, that's new. I must have changed something. But that's a little strange as far as the image goes, but it kind of looks like what you might see if you were shopping in the window, and there might even be another way I can angle that, or certainly pick a different photo that doesn't quite, is at already a different angle. So, just a little discovery thought I would share. See you next time!